Earnings reaction now. Supreme Industries is the first management on the show, reported its decent set of Q1 numbers just a while back. We have Mr. MP Taparia, the Managing Director of the company, joining us now. Mr. Taparia, good afternoon. Thank you, sir, for joining us today. But it's a good set. You have seen a 17% volume growth this quarter. Do you stick to the 20% volume growth guidance that you had given for FY25? And also in terms of pricing, the polymer prices, have they corrected now in the second quarter? What is the trend that you're seeing in prices so far?
We are maintaining still the volume growth of 20% for the company and 25% of plastic piping. And the raw material prices, the PVC price has gone up. Now we are seeing correction taking place. So we remain quite comfortable on the range-bound pricing of polymer going forward.
Mr. Taparia, could you quantify the kind of softness that is being seen from the last quarter to the previous quarter as far as the raw material price is concerned? And second question is, how is the demand being as far as the plastic piping segment is concerned? What is the total contribution it has as a part of the overall top line?
Now, plastic piping business may reach around 8,500 crore. Total turnover of the company may be between 12,000 to 12,500 crore.
Okay. So, as my colleague also asked, how are the demand trends now? Is Q2 so far turning out to be better than Q1? Because now we've started seeing that rainfall come back and no deficit so far. And what about the rural area in particular? Are you seeing green shoots come back there?
Normally, in second quarter, demand from agriculture segment goes down with this rainy season. But from demand from housing side is quite okay. We anticipate good demand now emerging from infrastructure, especially for drinking water supply and for irrigation purpose. And now we are entering into gas pipe system. So we anticipate good demand growth coming from infrastructure.
Mr. Taparia, the guidance that you have given for the volumes actually comes off quite a strong base. So you're continuing to stick to the 20% volume guidance, number one. Number two, can you give us a sense of what will be the contribution of the value-added sales to the overall top line? Because we understand that you enjoy higher margins over there.
You see, value addition in the first quarter, we have grown by 21%. And overall, for the year, we maintain that we will have a 20% volume growth. And in plastic piping division, we will have 25% volume growth. For this year, now we have got several expansions taking place brownfield. So these expansions are taking place month after month. Apart from brownfield expansion, when we opened the account result this year, we announced 3 greenfield sites. Now we expanded to 6 sites. Principal among them is we are putting a new site at Jammu in Kaswa district. We are putting a new site in Malanpur, and we are negotiating land parcel 31 acre near JNPT port. So we will be now working this year on 6 greenfield sites, 5 plastic pipe division, and 1 for our packaging division.
Yes, the press release also talks about a lot of capex which is coming on stream, sir. Just wanted to understand, is it all that you'll be doing in terms of capex? You have 1,500 crore rupees capex planned as well. Does it cover all that you told us about, the 6 greenfield expansion plans coming in, or there are more on the cards, something that the street can look forward to?
No, when we say 1,500 crore capex plan, that means commitment we expect to make in this year. All the money may not go in the ground because machine delivery takes time. And last year, we invested in the ground more than 550 crore. This year also, we anticipate our investment in the ground may be close to 1,000 crore, actually. But our commitment will be 1,500 crore. We had a cash balance of 1,245 crore as on 1st July this year. So everything will be done from our internal accrual.
Okay. Mr. Taparia, two questions that I have, if you could answer us. First one, talk to us about the kind of order win that you've got from IOCL as far as the composite LPG cylinder division is concerned. We believe that you have a 2 lakh, LOA that's already been signed. What is the size of the total order and what is the opportunity that can come ahead? And the second question, a quick comment on what our expectations are from tomorrow's budgets. Most of the brokerage highlight your particular company as a key beneficiary of any capex that could come about as far as housing is concerned.
First question is about the IOC. We are very happy on this IOC order of around 235,000 cylinder worth 55 crore rupees. And we anticipate the economy will get further boost in the upcoming budget tomorrow. Government is going to give more incentive for manufacturing. Government is giving more incentive on infrastructure. That you recall very much that on the day the government took over, they first announced new housing construction for poor people of 20 million numbers. And we anticipate the number of housing they will construct this year may be more than 20 million number, and each housing additional requirement will give further boost to our plastic piping division. So we remain quite optimistic on the budget which is going to come tomorrow.
Yes, all eyes will be on the budget. Mr. Taparia, last question before we let you go. You have expanded and introduced various new models of chair and cabinet in the furniture segment. You've added around, the total showrooms are around 319 right now. Will some of the capex go in more store additions this time? What is the plan with the packaging segment where we have seen a big increase in margins and this particular segment as well?
We are investing more money in protective packaging division. We are also investing in a new product, cross plastic, in this year. We are also going to expand capacity of cross laminated film. So in packaging segment also we are going to make further investment. We are actually going to invest in all the remaining 6 segments, also some small money, but major money will be invested in plastic piping division. And as you are aware, we are putting a new division of window where we'll be investing more than 150 crore rupees this year, where we'll be making window at 2 sides, one at Kanpur and second at Kharagpur in Bengal.
Okay.
Thank you so much, Mr. Taparia, for joining us and giving us details about how Q1 was and what you expect for the rest of the year. Let's now slip into a short break.